Trust is so important. Do you know that people will purchase from a brand they fully trust, even if it's more expensive than their competitors? And not only is trust important to make your customers happy, but it's also important to show that you're trustworthy to comply with global privacy laws. And one of the ways that you can do that is by adding a cookie consent banner to your website. I'm very grateful that this video today is sponsored by Usercentrics, the makers of Cookiebot CMP, which is a cookie consent solution that helps websites stay privacy compliant with regulations like GDPR and CCPA. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set that up and add it to your WordPress website. If you want to jump straight to that, click the sign up and set up chapter in the description below. But first, I want to talk a little bit about if you actually need a cookie consent banner on your website. If your website collects data from tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, or runs personalized ads, absolutely yes, you do. Privacy laws like GDPR and CCPA require websites to inform users about data collection and allow them to accept or reject certain cookies. This is especially important if you have visitors from the European Union, California, or other regions with strict privacy laws. Noncompliance can affect ads, analytics, and legal risks. Without proper consent, you do risk legal penalties. You could also lose access to valuable data in Google Ads and Google Analytics, especially with Google's consent mode version 2 now being enforced. So now that you know that, yes, you most likely do need a cookie consent banner, let's talk about Cookiebot CMP and what it is and what it does. So Cookiebot CMP is an automated consent solution that helps you comply with global privacy laws, US state regulations, and ad tech requirements from Google and Microsoft. With it, you can display a fully automated, completely customizable cookie consent banner on websites to achieve data privacy compliance with global regulations. Cookiebot CMP is Google certified and fully supports and integrates Google Consent Mode version 2. Manual compliance is nearly impossible as laws change. So the CMP helps automate consent management and protect your business. And for the record, CMP stands for Consent Management Platform. It works by using automatic cookie scanning and blocking, so you can just focus on growing your business. It also allows you to maintain analytics and marketing tools while still staying compliant with regulations. Only those categories of cookies that the user has consented to will be activated, and all other cookies will be held back automatically. This software is totally free for small websites. That means if you have just one domain and fewer than 1,000 sessions a month. For businesses with larger websites, paid plans start at just $8 a month. And if you just want to check it out and see if it's right for you, no pressure, there is a 14-day free trial for all plans. So to get started, you're going to want to click the link in my description below, and you're going to come to a page that looks like this, and then we are going to click that Start Free button. To start your free trial, first we have to create an account, so go ahead and do this over here. And when that's done, you're going to come to a page that looks like this, so go ahead and fill all this out. And then when you're done with that, go ahead and click Next. Then put in your account name. I'm going to put in my website name. And then for my country, I'm going to put in United States because that's where I am. Then I'm going to put in my domain name where I want the consent banner to be displayed. And then Usercentrics is going to scan my site. Next, we want to scroll down and choose a legal framework. Now you have to pick one to start here, but note that you can have different banner configurations for different locations. This is a premium feature, but you can set geolocation rule sets in case you have users and customers all over the globe. I'm just going to keep mine set at GDPR right now and then click Next. And now we can customize our consent banner. And you can actually do this as a dialog box like this in front of the whole page if you want. I prefer the bar, so I'm going to choose the bar. And then I'm going to click the styling tab to style it a little more. You can choose here if you want to enable an overlay on your whole website. I like that so we can make sure that they see right away that they have to pick something here. You can change the color of that background overlay if you'd like. And then you can also change your button colors, which is definitely something I want to do because I want it to look like my website. So I'm just going to paste my hex code there, and that is the right color blue I want. And then we can switch to layout colors, and here we can change the link colors and the tab colors too. And I'm going to make all of that my same blue. And then if you click into toggle colors, you also have the option to change these toggles. I'm going to put that one of my other business colors. So I'm going to make this one my orange. And then when that's done, I'm going to click over to the privacy trigger tab up top. And this is going to be the button on your website that triggers that privacy box if they want to make any changes. So you can decide what the icon is going to look like. I'm going to keep security. And then you're going to also want to probably change your background color to match your site branding as well. And then you can choose how big you want it to be for both mobile and desktop sizes right here. So customizing this consent banner is really cool because it is going to fit right in with your website and your existing branding. But keep in mind, this is also a premium feature. So if you stick with the free plan, your customization settings will go back to the default. When you're done here, go ahead and click Save and Next. You can invite other team members here if you have them and you want them to manage your stuff. If not, you can just click Next. And then they give us a script tag to put this on our website, but we're going to do it really easy with the WordPress plugin, so we're not going to worry about this right now. We are going to click Finish in the bottom. Give this a second to work. And now it brought us to our admin, and there is something that you're going to see down here. You're going to see your domain name, and you're going to see that it is scanning. This should be done within 24 hours, and what's happening is it's scanning your website for cookies and tracking technologies that it's using so it can automatically display what it's supposed to display. Note that the default banner is configured with the strictest settings possible, which makes it suitable for cookie consent under GDPR and EPR. But if you wanted to make any changes to the content yourself, you can do that by clicking content on the left-hand side and making your changes right here. Okay, so let's get this set up on our website. Stay signed into this page because we're going to need information from here. So sign into WordPress on another tab. Then you're going to want to go to plugins, add plugin, and then you can just search for Cookiebot up top. And then you're going to see something that looks like this. So click install now. And then when that's done, we are going to hit activate. There we go. Now this plugin is super easy to install and set up, and it is Google certified. Cookiebot CMP is one of the few WordPress cookie consent plugins that seamlessly integrate with Google Tag Manager and Google Consent Mode version 2. And as you're going to see here, we can set it up in just a few clicks. So go ahead and go to Cookiebot in the left-hand side and click into settings. And then we have to grab your domain group ID from the Cookiebot dashboard. So come back here and then go to implementation. And then what we want is we want this ID right here in this script. So we're just going to click to copy the whole script and then go ahead and paste it into a notepad file and then copy just that ID, not the quotation marks around it. Then head back into WordPress and paste it in the settings and then click connect account. Now, of course, we want to test it. And when I test my websites, I like to do it in an incognito browser. And when I do that, here it is. It's loading perfectly in the bottom. So I'm going to click accept all here. And you can see that we do have the privacy trigger down here in the bottom left. If you don't want that on your website, that's okay. We can shut that off. So let me show you how to do that real quick. You're going to want to click into appearance on the left. And then you are going to scroll down to where it says privacy trigger. So if you don't want the privacy button, we're going to have another option where you can do a privacy link. So we're going to click that instead. And then we can copy this code for the privacy settings, the HTML code, to make it happen again. And a good place to put this is going to be your footer. That's where people expect to find all the legal stuff. And when you're done with that, you can click publish and then click publish again. And then when you come back to your website and click refresh, you are going to see that that privacy button is not there anymore. So then all I have to do is paste that link right down here in my footer. And that's it. Now you know all about Usercentrics Cookiebot and how to install it on WordPress. If I was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. If you are building your own website, make sure to check out the description to download my free 9-step roadmap to DIY your first website. And with that, you will learn everything you need to do to get your website live from start to finish. Thank you so much for watching.